Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a mug that I purchased from Macy for $8.52. Okay. And I don't know why it was on the clearance. The black one and all the rest of the colors was like $13.52, but for some reason they have this marked down. So this is what I decided to get because purple is one of my favorite colors. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, now they says on my next purchase I will get 20% off, and I have a warranty on this mug as well. So I'm gonna go ahead on you guys, and I'm gonna scan that QR code later so I can get 20% off and register this with the warranty. So let's unbox it. I have a hard time with these boxes, you guys. Okay, the box. Okay. Share the happiness at hashtag kitchen happiness, and you can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Share your own experience by writing a review. Tell your family and friends about it. Okay, that's what this says over here. And I don't know, they have like a thunderstorm cloud there, and they have like a sunny thunderstorm. So I guess you can take it in any weather. I don't know. Okay. And she has an interesting story because everybody has a story. To sum it up, she was raised in poverty-stricken Venezuela. Against all odds, brought her brother to live in the USA. As a single mother, she worked extra long hours and found time to cook healthy meals for her family. She thought nothing of it. But now that I'm married with children of my own, I can see how much of a superhero moms really are. Yes, indeed, because I was a single mother and I know the struggle is real. So kudos out to her and for inventing these mugs. Okay. We got one layer of plastic. Here's the second layer of plastic. They really got this covered really well. Really cute. They got any designs. No, it's just all purple all the way around. And see, this is the top of it. Let me see. How you? Okay, this is the top of it, and you can move it. See how the latch? I'm moving it up. See, it's up and down. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, I like this. Unique. This is the mug, stainless steel. And at the bottom of the mug, I see that her name is on here. And I was looking for a name or something. So, this is my mug, you guys. It's awesome. I like how secure the lid fit on there, and I like it just easy. Just pull back and close. Pull back and close. Put it on here and show you guys. There we go. See, it's on here tight. Okay. So there we have it. It's the mug. I got this from Macy's. They had all different color, but the purple was on the clearance, you guys. So head out to Macy's if you're looking for an affordable, durable coffee mug. Head out there, you guys, before they all gone. If you can't find them in store, before you head out, go online and see can you find. So here you go. That's the name of it. And I hope they still have them in stock, guys. And have a nice day. And I will be chatting with you guys later. Bye-bye.